Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Cheryl and today I'm super excited because I got in the mail yesterday this palette from Juvias and I've never tried them and I'm so excited that I got it because it was on sale and I had to grab it. Look how pretty it is. So if you want to see how this performed and you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Hello, so I'm super excited because I got this baby in the mail. The Nomad palette by Juvias. I've heard so many good reviews on the Juvias Place eyeshadows and I never tried it. So I saw on Facebook, I think it was, an ad that they were having a sale for Mother's Day weekend. And I checked out the page and this one was only $7.50. Let me see if that's right. It came out to $7.50. I think it had 50% off, so I had to buy it. It got here very quickly. I was surprised by that because, you know, usually mail nowadays it takes a really long time to get here. But this came really fast. And I checked today just to make sure if they still have it, but they're out of stock. So everybody grabbed this one. And I'm not surprised. It was so cheap and the colors are really pretty. So let me open it up to show you. I know I'm so late to the game. Everybody has tried this palette. Not this palette in particular, but the brand. And I still haven't. That's why I'm so excited. Take that off. Oh, look how pretty. It's so pretty. I mean, look at that. It's gorgeous. So I'm dying to try this out, but first I'm gonna prime my face with, I got this one in my BoxyCharm, Touch and Soul. It's really good. It's like a jelly type of consistency and it's so cooling to the face. Oh, it feels like you're putting like little drops of water on your face. Oh, it's so good. It feels so cooling. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing these two. One shade is a little bit darker than the other one because I'm a little bit tanned at the moment. So I have to mix them. Then I take the dark one just a little bit. For concealer, I've been liking this one from Maybelline, the Fit Me Concealer. If you saw my haul video, you would know that I really like this one a lot. It's full coverage, but it doesn't leave you looking cakey. I have an eyelash right here. Trying to check that out. I'm going to spray my face with the Hard Candy setting spray. Also got it in the haul video that I did and I really like it. Shake well and squeeze first. Okay, there we go. For powder, I'll be using the Infallible Loose Setting Powder. How did I get eyeshadow all over me? How? Now for the fun part. She's just so pretty. She's so pretty. I don't know what to do. I never know what to do. Oh, is this green or is this? You know what? I'm gonna swatch it for you. Even though my camera is really shitty quality, but I'm gonna swatch them for you. Okay, let's do this first three here. Oh, look at my armpit. You don't want to see that. It's sweaty. Those are the colors. Still don't know what I'm gonna do. Let me clean this arm before I forget, and my hand. I've been recording all that time. I didn't click record. their presence in here. I'm gonna start with this one here. Very pigmented. Very pigmented. This one is blending super easily. I have no problem with it. How are you doing with the quarantine? I think everybody in the States is quarantine has lifted, right? You let me know. Not where I live, which is Puerto Rico. We still have curfew, we still have mandatory masks, we still have restrictions. And I don't remember when was the last time that I actually went out to hang out without worrying. It's been a while. I'm gonna put that at the bottom too. Why are you doing that? I'm gonna take this next shade right here. Concentrate that more on the crease. I'm gonna take this olive green right here. Concentrate that more in the outer corner. I'm recording. Okay. Ooh, it's coming out really grungy. I like it. Turn off. Did it again. Stop clicking back on. I'm gonna add this shade at the lower lash line. I'm gonna use the NYX Glitter Primer, this shade in the center, in the right over here, this middle one. I'm taking this above my natural crease because I have hooded eyes, so I can actually see the color. And now I'm just gonna pack that on. Oh, look how gorgeous that color is. Let me just blend over here a little bit. Let me try that first, the lightest color, which is this one. Use it as a highlighter. See how that looks. I'm gonna put eyeliner, mascara, and lashes, and I'll be right back. Lashes are on. I did the rest of my face. Now I'm going to be using this CoverGirl Outlast Ultimate Matte. I've been liking this one a lot. And I'm going to top it off with the Luna Beauty Lip Gloss in Aura. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I love the way it turned out. This palette is amazing. I love it. I had no issues with any of them. I tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. And they all blended beautifully. They all blended easily. I had no problem with blending. They're nice and creamy. They're not drying. Really good. I'm so happy I purchased this. Let me know your thoughts and your comments down below. If you tried that brand before, if you like it, if you don't like it, why don't you? All that good stuff. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to get notified every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.